Hey, what's up guys? I've been getting a lot of questions on these 2018 Honda Accord front bumper grills, and so I wanted to make a video on showing how to take off the grill and break it down. One of the big questions I get is, do I have to take off the bumper to change out any grill pieces? And the answer to that is yes. The way this grill is layered, you have to get access to the back side of it in order to basically do anything. So first thing you have to do is you have to take off the bumper, and I already have a video on how to do that, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to take off the whole grill assembly as one unit, and then I'll have other videos showing how to break down each piece, how to change out that chrome piece up there, how you change out the grill, and I'll put those in separate videos, and I'll link to those in the description below. I've worked on about every Honda grill there is, and this is by far the most pain in the ass grill I've ever dealt with on a Honda. So it's not a lot of fun, but you can do it at home, and I'm just going to show you how to basically remove the main grill in this video. So the first thing you want to do is lay your bumper down, face down on the ground, and make sure you lay something down soft so it doesn't scratch the front and the grill and everything. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lower air dam here on the inside of the bumper. This overlaps the grill, and so we're going to have to take this off in order to get the grill off. And to get this off, we have these 3 clips on the underside here that we're going to have to pop out, and they are just like the rest of the clips that we took out to get the bumper off. They are the standard Honda clip, and just pry on both sides back and forth using a clip tool or a flathead screwdriver, and you pop those right off. And once you have those 3 clips out, we got 2 more clips here at the bottom that we need to take out. And then come around to the inside of the bumper and take a flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna have to pry right here and right here, and you just want to stick it down in there and pry in on this piece that we're trying to take out. And when you're prying, just pull up on it a little bit, and same with this spot right here, and that just releases these tabs from the grill. And come around to the other side and do the same thing. And then just lift up on this air dam, and we got the first piece out. And next we're going to remove this backing plate, and also remove the screws over here on the side trim pieces, and all the screws to this backing plate. And once you have all the screws out, just pick up on the backing plate and set it aside. And next we're going to take a flathead screwdriver and we're going to pry down on the tabs starting on one of the ends and work your way around down on the bottom of the grill and back around to the other end. And these tabs work by taking a flathead and pushing in, or out rather, on this tab while pulling back on the grill, and the grill will slip over this tab right here that it's latched into. But we got to start on the side, and we just want to gradually pull on the bumper while releasing the tabs and just work our way around. And once you have all the tabs released, this whole upper grill assembly can be taken off of the actual front bumper itself. And this is what the whole grill assembly looks like. Even this upper piece that's painted comes off. When it's on the car, it looks like it's part of the bumper, but it's actually a whole separate piece. And you are just left with basically this bottom shell is all you're left with once you take the grill off. But that's it for this video, guys. I'll have other videos on disassembling this assembly, and I'll put those in the description below. But that's it for this one. That's how you get the grill off. Thanks for watching.